Okay, welcome to Call of Duty Tutorial, and I will explain to you about how to check this electric constant or electric hole have electric voltage or not. We use this one test pen here. How to use it? We should make our foot contact the floor, and then we our hand contact this pin. And if there is electric voltage, so the lamp will be turning on, and this is a pass terminal and this neutral terminal. So if with this tool we can know the conductor or anything have electric voltage or not, and this can be prevent we are to electric shock. Okay, if you think this video useful, please share to others and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.